So I definitely found your new signature wig, and I'm not going to gatekeep it from you. Where has the time gone? It has been 10 years since Myfirstwig launched. That's 10 years of setting trends, 10 years of producing consistent high quality wig units, a full 10 years of being the go-to GOAT for beginners looking for the best quality, easy to maintain wigs on the market. Myfirstwig is one of my favorite wig companies. I highly recommend them for affordable, realistic, easy to install wigs. It just doesn't get any more natural than their wigs, and if you don't believe me, check out my wig playlist. You'll see. So I am sending a huge happy 10th anniversary to the team at Myfirstwig for always leading in customer service, quality, and innovation. I wish you many, many more. Have you ever tried any wigs from Myfirstwig? Let's chat about your experience in the comment section, and also join me down below in wishing Myfirstwig a happy anniversary. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝐷𝐲. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on my hair because it ain't a wig, y'all. No lace found, no lace, no case, okay? Just joking. This wig is from Myfirstwig. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I received is a curly pixie, y'all, and it had me feeling some type of way. This is an 8-inch 13x6 lace front wig. The density is 180%, and the hair texture is my favorite curly texture from Myfirstwig. It's their poppin' curls texture. The curls are always so beautiful with this texture. They fully do a spiral. They're lightweight, they're easy to maintain, and the curls are just all around perfect. This is a pre-everything wig, which is great for beginners because all of the hard work has already been done for you. The knots have been deep bleached, the hairline has been pre-plucked, and the lace has been cut. The cap construction features 3 combs, a removable elastic band, and a drawstring. The drawstring makes it easy to customize the fit of the wig so that it's comfortable for everyday wear. And now wearing your wig glueless is even easier than ever before. So I want to show you why this is my favorite curly hair texture. I washed this hair off camera and this is how it looks wet, but I am going to let it air dry overnight, and I'm going to show you how beautiful these curls look without any product. So it's the next morning, and this is probably the easiest curly texture to maintain. Look how juicy these spiral curls are. They are perfection. These curls are so low maintenance. I didn't have to define the curls. I didn't have to put heavy gels in it. I didn't have to do any of those things. All I did was wash, condition, and allow the hair to air dry, and it's already fully styled. This is a really cute pixie haircut, but I love the fact that they made it into a wedge cut. Super, super, super cute, and definitely on trend for summer. So let's have a closer look at the parting space. If you want to do center parting, you get 6 inches of parting space from your forehead on back, and you get pretty deep parting on the left and right sides of your head as well. So now I'm just going to tint the lace. This is always an optional step. If you are not wearing makeup with this wig, do not tint the lace, okay? So I'm grabbing 2 different colors of lace tint. The first one is the color of my foundation. I'm going to spray that on the underside of lace where my hairline is. And the second shade is the color of my scalp. I'm going to spray that on the inner portion of the lace frontal. I'm doing 2 different layers of each color of lace tint and then blow drying after each layer. So this wig did come with a left side part. It is a 13x6 lace frontal, so you can part it in any direction that you choose. I'm going to keep the left side part, but I am going to curve the part instead of it being straight. Okay, so on to styling. I'm grabbing a spray bottle of water, my Denman brush, a curling mousse, and I'll be using a little bit of a curling gel. In sections, I'm going to spray the section with water, use my comb to detangle, apply that curling mousse, and then use my Denman brush to set the curls. So here's a quick tip. If you are holding your Denman brush horizontally and brushing the hair downwards, you're now creating a flip. You want to make sure that you are holding your Denman brush vertically so that you are going along with the spiral direction of the curl and you are defining that curl even further. So do not hold your Denman brush horizontally like this. Hold it vertically and go along with the curl like this. So now that I'm at the front of the head, I'm grabbing that gel. I'm going to apply it to the hairline and then use my brush to smooth the hairs into the direction that I want them to go into. I told y'all these curls were perfect. Like, it doesn't get any more natural looking. It doesn't get any better than this. Poppin' Curls is the best curly texture on the market, period. So you can allow your hair to air dry, but I am going to use my diffuser just to diffuse the curls. This is going to give me more body and elevation as well as dry the hair. If you've made it this far into the video, hashtag juicy curls in the comment section. To finish off styling the curls, I'm grabbing a hair polisher and a hair glosser. This is going to make these curls super juicy, defined, beautiful, shiny, and it's also going to make it look like it's wet. So it's going to give it like that glass-like wet look. I'm going to prep my skin first by cleaning off my forehead with alcohol and then applying a few layers of scalp protector to my scalp. This wig does come with a drawstring so you can wear it glueless, but today I am installing it with adhesive. I'm grabbing the wig on its side. I'm going to spray a very thin layer of Wonder Lace Bond to the edge of the wig, blow dry for a few seconds, and then place the wig on my head in its proper placement. Use my fingertips to press that lace into my skin. And then because it does have a drawstring, I want to make sure that the fit is comfortable and there is no lifting. So I am just going to adjust that drawstring in the back, put my headscarf on, and allow everything to set. Removing my headscarf, some of the hairs did get stuck down onto the lace. So I'm just going to grab a baby hairbrush and spray some water on it and then just gently release those hairs from the adhesive. Here's how the wig looks with no baby hairs, but I did decide to add some off camera. It's always optional though. You do not have to add baby hairs to your wig. I did two different looks with this wig. This is the first look, super easy. This is kind of like a wash and go hairstyle, super cute. You can see the shape of the wig much better with this first hairstyle. You see the wedge cut is definitely really cute. You can do so many different hairstyles with this length, so that is definitely a plus. Okay, so for the second style, I decided to add water to the hair and some mousse as well as some gel. I'm just going to use my brush to brush everything back, and then I'm just going to have like a little spiral curl in the front, and then I'm just going to let it air dry a little bit before showing you guys how it looks in the sun. Do you prefer this style or the first one better? Let me know in the comment section. Here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct link to this wig that you need in your wig closet, y'all, down below in the description box. So check in the description box for more information. Happy 10-year anniversary, Myfirstwig. I can't wait to see all of the beautiful wigs that you guys come out with next. If you are new here, welcome. My name is 𝐷𝐫𝐞. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and send this video to a friend who may love this wig. Let's chat everything this wig and Myfirstwig down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, follow, and share, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
It's 𝐷𝐫𝐿. Yeah, that's right. It's 𝐷𝐫𝐿.